Okay, today's the day I'm going to get this palm tree taken out. I was looking in the paper, in the village's newspaper, and I came across a family business that does this kind of work, and they're licensed, insured. They're even in the Better Business Bureau, so that's really important to me, especially this tree is very close to the house. And if something happens, I want to make sure that this company is insured. And obviously they have a workman's comp. So later on today I get the tree out and I hope to show you how it's done. Okay.
We offer a wide variety of services with landscaping. We do pavers and all the hardscape work you'd want, retention walls for doing bed work around your home. We do a wide variety of that type of work. We also offer cleanup work and landscape renovation. That's where you can combine both our tree service. Again, this is my son Kenneth who runs our tree service. You can combine both our companies and have 6 guys at your house tearing it out and replacing it.
That's awesome. Yeah, I noticed that you also are big on putting in these decorative fronts for people with the brickwork. There's some photos online I checked out, and you do some great work. Can you tell me something about that?
Yeah, we specialize in that type of work and doing driveways, whole driveways, walkways and patio ways. Another thing that our company is specific that we specialize in is doing water features. We've done quite a few water features here in the villages and can do a wide variety of very custom water features. We do landscape lighting as well. We do some really nice stuff with that.
There you go. Here's the new father right here wants to say something. I talked about his grandson's coming. This is a family business, and I'm a big believer in family businesses. I think you've seen my videos before, and you know, a family business is a strong business.
I'm Kenneth. I grew up watching my dad do landscape work and tree service work my whole life. It's something I wanted to do after I got out of the military. I was interested in climbing trees like Dad did, and so that's where I'm at now, is climbing trees and removing trees for the family business. And today we're going to be removing a sable palm.
All right. Hey, thank you for
And
your
I'm very
service.
proud of it.
Yeah, thank you for your service. What branch?
I was a combat medic in the Army.
Oh, very good. Yeah, I'm a Navy veteran. So hey, thanks for your service. And let's see how your work is. Let's take that tree down and show the people.
I'll do that.
Woo! Wow!